हाय गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग। मैं पूरे 11:30 बजे उठी हूँ।
उठ के पहले इंस्टाग्राम की स्टोरी डाली है।
हाँ, तुमने कब देखी? खुद तो एक एक सेकंड में अपना फोन चेक करो, फिर मेरे को बोल रहे हो।
बेटी घर में रहती है, लेकिन अगर मुझे उसका इंस्टा अपडेट देखना हो कि इंस्टेंट अपडेट क्या है उसकी लाइफ का, तो मुझे उसका इंस्टाग्राम चेक करना पड़ता है।
दैट इज ट्रू, बट मैं ज़्यादा नहीं डालती, अभी डालना चालू करूँगी।
Hi all. So, because Gauri has completed 40k on YouTube and it took a lot of mehnat at this time, so we're going to celebrate it. She doesn't know I'm recording this, but I'm really proud of her, and I've told her that we must visit the temple, be grateful for her achievement, and pray that she reaches 100k faster than this goal. And I want you all to please pray for her. Please share her videos as much as possible. Comment on her videos so that it reaches the right audience. You know, the kids of your age who are watching her videos since years. You know how much value she adds, what she wants to share. She's so much in love with her YouTube, and she's so careful on what she shares because she knows that teenagers are following her, so she makes sure that she does not share things which are, you know, not good for teenagers. She's in love with her YouTube, so please help her reach 100k ASAP. It's my request to you all, and I'm sure you'll support her as you have supported her since so many years. Share her video every day, one video from last 1 month, whichever you like, with your friends, family. Tell them to watch, and especially teenagers, if you're school friends, even if they're not your friends, share them if you feel that they can learn something from her vlogs. Please support her, but I'm sure you all love her, so you'll support her. Thank you so much. Bye.
हाय गाइस, 5 बज रहे हैं। हम दोनों को इतनी नींद आ रही है कि मतलब हमारा मन कर रहा है कि यहीं पे सो जाए। प्रॉब्लम ये हो गई है ना कि हमने मेरी एक फ्रेंड को बुला लिया है और उसको अब हम मना नहीं कर सकते, एंड हमें मिलना है उससे। ऑब्वियसली वेरी नाइस गोल। इस वजह हमें नींद आ रही है, एक्चुअली मुझे आ रही है, मेरा नहीं मान, तो मैं मना नहीं कर सकती हूँ। So I'm just like, कोई कॉफ़ी पिला दो मुझे। We have come to near Prithvi Cafe, and at the entrance there is this one bhel wala person who is so famous, and it is really good. Like, we're gonna go have that. मैं और मॉम तो आए हुए हैं, so I got a friend along. Her name is Myra. मेरा मुंह बंद नहीं रहता ब्रो। जिस दिन I swear to God मैं अपना मुंह बंद रख लूँ ना, मेरे लाइफ की आधी प्रॉब्लम्स गायब हो जाएगी। So this is the entrance for Prithvi. Like, you go in, and this is where the bhel wala is. He's either here or there, somewhere here. Always. Yes, go guys. How is it?
Papri is your school.
पापड़ी खा के reservation. We already got one with with some drink and we had pizza. So now we're off to coffee because मुझे बहुत नींद आ रही है, and then we'll go watch the sunset. This is vanilla.
Vanilla cold coffee.
Vanilla लाते हैं, पता नहीं क्या है. लाते हैं ना. Try the other one. You try this one till then.
ये कड़वी है बिल्कुल.
It's perfect. It's not too sweet and it's not too bitter. It's amazing. Hi guys, it is another day and my room is a mess as usual. But today we're not paying attention to that because I have matters in my hand that need my attention right away. I messed up real bad. I was supposed to be at the Huda Beauty event at 5 p.m. Now, just so you know I'm not lying, look at the time. Literally almost 5 and I need to be there, so I told mom that I'm going to take the car because that is literally the only way I'll be able to be there at least by 6 fastest, and I'll have to go for a sleek back. 2 reasons. First of all, my hair are not exactly the silkiest right now. They're really greasy. And second reason, ये dress के साथ it'll look better if I go with a slick back. I don't know. Anyways, we're just gonna have to figure that out, and I'm gonna keep giving you updates. But right now, let's just get ready and leave. This is the final look. Now I'm just gonna continue this in the car because I need to charge my camera. Hi guys, what's up? Let's go. This is the first event that I'm attending with going by myself. I usually always take a cab because the events are so far and it's just so difficult to drive there. I get frustrated and I'm like, let's just take a car. Also, I have carried my chappals in case I don't feel like, wearing my heels anymore. Yeah. Let's go. I can't speak because I'm listening to music, so yeah. Yours. I like yours.
Thank you.
Your turn. Every time I meet her, she's in the washroom. every event.
Because I'm late.
She's always late and she's always in the washroom. Every single event I have met this touch-ups, of course.
Flaming hot sushi is very good. रिकॉर्डिंग चालू है.
मेरे रूम में कुछ तो है बट आई डोंट नो क्या है. गाइस मेरा रूम साफ है. वो गंदा है बट रूम साफ है.
This is not how you left it.
This is not how I left it. It is actually there in the video. You seriously sat and organized my room today? You're a very good mother. I must give you that.
Just because you requested me.
I told her थोड़ा जितना होगा कर दो, बाकी का मैं कर दूंगी. But honestly, my room was such a mess. I didn't have it in me to sit and do.
So only this part I did not because
This you can't figure out. Hey, this is too.
Other than that, I did everything.
Imagine now somebody enters my room, they won't believe it's my room.
Yeah, God no.
Let's do a Huda haul. I just came back from a Huda event like you saw. Let's start with Huda Beauty Lip Mousse Case.
Huh?
It's a wallet for your mousse.
Where is the mousse
I
then?
think we might have given one, hopefully win this.
Inside it is a mousse also.
Guys, but honestly, like, this is a wallet for your lipstick. Next, we have the Lip Contour 2.0. It's a lip crayon.
I'll use this.
And
She won't
then
give
we
me.
have. Oh, then there's this also. Is this a lip mousse only?
Balm or
No,
something.
this is the mousse. This is the mousse.
Again, another mousse.
Yeah, we have two mousses.
So this is to be attached with your. Oh, so cute.
Oh, this. Oh, Riya made this.
So how you got it?
Bags got exchanged.
Fish.
I'll figure it out. I'll tell you like that.
So how did you? What did you make?
Mine was like this star, another color of heart, and like a small pole, like very basic I kept.
ठीक है, it's okay.
But this is Riya's, guys. This ain't mine, but we still like it. This is the second time I'm getting these clips.
Now I'll use them. You have already the black ones. I'll take.
Oh, there's one more thing.
Though I don't do any makeup. Yeah, for my oil I can use. This is so cute. What is this? Oh, it's to be attached to your bag.
Yeah, it's a bag.
Wow.
You know one thing I love about Huda, everything like most like a few
Thoughtful.
things at least that they give you at the event are things that are exclusive for the people who come to the event.
It's very thoughtful.
It's very thoughtful. Like you won't find this in the market. It's not available. So guys, honestly, this is so cool. Like just attach it to your bag and your whole bag lights up.
And especially if you're wearing something pink.
Like just a basic bag and
अच्छा हुडा लिखा हुआ है उसके ऊपर.
that's fine. But that's the thing, na. But it is so aesthetic that people will use it.
They might come up with this soon with the bag also, I think.
I love this. Honestly, this is so cute. See, focus it. Okay, the haul ends right here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you the next day. Guys, I have a confession. I think I'm addicted to lockup. Hi guys, so I think you can see that there's a little bit of sunlight on my face, but this is the situation that Bombay has been in the past few days. Do you see how cloudy that is? There's literally just one ray of sunshine that was coming here abhi and now it's no more. But do you see how cloudy this is? It is honestly impossible to willingly want to get out of bed and be productive, especially as a content creator, because you need lighting for everything. I'll tell you how I've been surviving. This light has literally been rescuing me for a very long time. But now I'll give you guys an update on a brand shoot that I did very recently. The situation with brand deals has been super terrible. I'm gonna make you guys listen to this voice note that I received from a brand recently.
I don't know, it's not going to work. I'm telling you, अगर अच्छे से नहीं edit हुआ, so there could be a possibility that she might have to reshoot because all.
She is like, you need to get it sun kissed. कहाँ से लाऊं मैं sun kiss का लसन कहाँ से लाऊं मैं भाई दोपहर में? Can you imagine the view that I showed you is of 3:15 p.m. It is literally 3:15 and this is the view outside. How am I supposed to shoot sun-kissed videos? I don't understand. Anyways, I would now like to give you guys an update. I am gonna go take a shower. I woke up very late. My routine has been super messed up. I have to shoot 2 videos, 2 reels. One of them is just like ek last part that I'll do tonight when I'm going out. But right now I need to shoot like a reel that I have in my mind. I'm gonna try and shoot 2 reels if possible. But that's the thing, that's the plan right now. And rest of it I'm just gonna guide you through it. I am so sleepy. This weather is just making me wanna go back to sleep. I ordered myself Zepto coffee also, by the way. Anywho, let's go. We're literally sitting here editing on my phone. Like she's doing some work. We're here.
Let's go.
Let's go. Guys, I am getting ready for a date. Yeah.
Huh? Since what?
What क्या what? देखो पता तो है. Shut up. No dates. But oh shit, my hair look very bad. So we're going out and let's just figure. तेरे साथ नहीं. Hopefully the guy is nice. मुझे ये नहीं समझ आ रहा मेरे बाल सीधे क्यों नहीं हो रहे हैं. So मेरे बालों में शैम्पू रह गया है. This is why I don't wash my hair on my own. This is why I prefer that I go for a blow dry or a hair wash or some shit because I can't do this on my own. I'm 20 and I don't know how to wash my hair. By the way, these are the earrings I'm wearing. They're like SSA. अब बस makeup करना है and I'm just gonna show you guys the final look because I think he's about to leave and we're running a little late.
Let's just say गौरी को बहुत गालियाँ पड़ चुकी है अभी तक.
But I like how I look. Like I feel very confident now. This is the final look and this is the makeup. I really like it. Where's my light? See, now you can actually see the makeup. It's a glowy look. Thodusa, but more of a natural glam. And mom is back.
I feel like you're too dressed up for the premiere.
No, I like it.
You don't like everything.
But I'm fine with the dressing up. I need to make a reel also.
मैं घर आई हूँ और ये जा रही है.
How sad.
और वैसे मुझे बोल रही थी मैं बोर हो रही हूँ.
सुबह से हो रही थी तब आना चाहिए था.
अदानी ने मेरे को प्राइवेट जेट नहीं दे रखा ना.
सूरत से कौन सा जेट उड़ के आता भी है?
आते हैं भाई. आते हैं. Okay. Now I'm just gonna vlog the rest of the way. Yeah. I'm going home. Hi guys, it is currently 3:30 at night, so I can't be very loud. But I just want to let you guys know that I got back from the date like a while back, and it's going well. But I still don't want to jinx it or talk about it at all, obviously. But we're gonna just go to sleep for now. I'm super tired and I need to remove my makeup. अभी भी थोड़ा मस्कारा ये सब फैल गया है. So I'm just gonna go remove that. But I just wanted to end the vlog right here. I hope you guys had a lot of fun watching this vlog. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye!